Oh, sorry. Well,
what is it, Dad? He's gonna jump for that.
And we're gonna put this on YouTube. We're gonna see if it goes viral. Him with the balloon. You ready?
Yeah. Come here, he says. Uh-oh, it's gonna go over the fence. Go away from me. It's gonna pop if it hits the grass.
Uh-oh.
Come here, ball. Balloon. I had a loose tie on that. Just in case anybody tripped on it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? It just blew up. You killed it. You killed the balloon.
Good boy, Kodi. No, it's not there. It's not there.
Oh, these two blew up over here already.
Yeah, they all blew up.